Innovation is a collaborative process. To see how engicloud.ai transforms teamwork, let's consider two users, Adam and Eve, and see how they collaborate to see complex engineering challenges. Adam starts by creating a dedicated Team Workspace, a secure environment where private projects and custom calculators are shared instantly. Adam creates a team called R&D Team. Then Adam invites Eve, his colleague, ensuring all future intellectual property remains searchable and accessible to the right people from day one. Now Eve gets this invite notification to join the R&D team. Adam initializes a new project titled Energy. His goal? To calculate the kinetic and potential energy of the system. But he doesn't start from scratch. He leverages the world's wisdom by copying two expert-verified calculators from the engicloud public library. He copies the kinetic energy calculator, creating a private, modifiable version of the model. Within these calculators, the backend Python logic is already verified, providing a trusted foundation for his workflow. Similarly, he loads the potential energy calculator onto the platform. Note that Adam isn't just copying code, he is transforming raw scripts into reusable building blocks that his entire team can now use visually. On execution, the project computes the kinetic and potential energy of the object based on specific mass, velocity, and elevation. Adam can now refine the Python code to add specific complexities or simply leave the verified logic as is, transforming raw scripts into reusable building blocks for the team. Now, let's see how Eve collaborates. Her first step is to accept the invitation to join the R&D team. Instantly, the energy project and all of Adam's curated calculators are at her fingertips. Without writing a single line of code, Eve can simply open and execute the project Adam shared, leveraging his expertise to get immediate results. But collaboration doesn't stop at execution. Eve has the power to edit and expand. To complete the analysis, she creates a new calculator called Total Energy directly on the canvas. She simply connects the output from the kinetic and potential energy blocks into her new total energy calculator. By summing the values visually, she creates a higher level workflow that didn't exist before. Once satisfied, Eve updates the project. Her changes are synced instantly, ensuring the entire team now has access to this more sophisticated combined model. What was once a series of disconnected scripts is now a collaborative project. This is knowledge retention in action. Experts create the logic, teams build the solution, and the platform handles the execution. From code to canvas, engicloud.ai, the world's wisdom in one modeling platform.